I've been thinking about you day and night.
In this video, I'm going to cover two main points. I'm going to show you what separates this highlight unit from other ombre units on the market, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install straight out the box. Let's jump right in. As you guys can see, this unit comes pre-plucked and bleached. This is a ready to install unit. Absolutely no work is required before installing this unit. Guys, I have to show you how beautifully highlighted this unit is. A lot of pre-colored units aren't as tastefully done as if you would have went to the salon. I ain't gonna hold you. However, this one is an exception. By the way, did I forget to mention? It's also HD lace. You see how clear that lace is? You're gonna get about 5.5 inches of parting space, and it comes with an adjustable and removable elastic band. So let me go ahead and put this unit on just to give you guys a better idea of just how natural this unit will look once you put it on your head. You're going to get an ample amount of parting space, which is going to give you the option to part your unit down the middle or along the sides. Now, I'm going to just jump straight into this install. I said this is a beginner-friendly install, and I meant just that. I'm going to spray some of my Even New York Supreme hairspray right along the front of the hairline. I'm not going to cut the lace just yet. One tip I can add is that I like to comb the hair as I'm laying the hair down with the hairspray. This prevents the hair from sticking to the lace underneath. Then I like to tie the hairline down with an elastic band for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's going to help this HD lace to melt into my skin. Meanwhile, while I'm waiting for that melt to happen, I'm going to go ahead and work on this parting space. A good wax stick and a hot comb is all you need. This is going to ensure you have a flat install. We don't do any lumps and bumps over here, so make sure you don't skip that step. Lastly, go in with your root touch-up to clean up that parting space. Then add some concealer, 1 or 2 shades lighter than your complexion. After about 5 minutes, I'm ready to remove the elastic band and cut the lace. Now you're going to go in with your scissor or razor to cut the lace, and you want to use jagged motion just to ensure a more natural look. Once I finish, I added a little spritz to the edges of my unit, and I tied that lace down to help that set once again. To finish this install off, we're going to go ahead and add some concealer powder to the edge of this unit just to get it to blend in with my skin. Since I am wearing makeup, this is a crucial step just to make sure that everything blends really nicely. Now guys, as you guys saw, this unit came with curls already in the unit. I really didn't have to do much work at all. I added 2 bumps in the front and sprayed some hair sheen on the top of the unit, and voila girls, when I tell you straight out the box install, I mean a straight out the box install. And just like that, I am done with this install. This was a super fast install, guys. I love when that happens. Let me just tell you that, okay? All right, so let me give you all the deets on this unit. As you guys can see, this is a straight out the box, clearly, okay? I sprayed the lace spray on top of the lace. I didn't even wait until I cut it off. This was so simple, so easy. Y'all see, I didn't even have to put these curls in. These curls is straight out the box, okay? Now, this is what I call a quality unit. These are the type of units I love to install. Anything that makes my life easier, you know I'm all for it. Oh, guys, I forgot to add my earrings. I actually am going to the Mary J. Blige concert right now. I wasn't sure if I should go with the gold or if I should do these yellow ones that I got from a subscriber. She sells these African-made earrings on her website. I'll be sure to have it linked in the description box down below. You guys tell me which one you guys prefer. These are more basic. These are more like, you know, look at me now. But I guess it's going to depend on what outfit I wear. Let me make a decision. Let's put this on for now. Yes, this is definitely giving, okay? But guys, I didn't even get to the best part. This is an 18-inch unit, and you can get this exact unit for around $200. If you prefer to get a Swiss lace as opposed to HC lace, it'll be even cheaper. Now, this is what I'm talking about when I say quality meets price. I think this one goes more with my outfit, but those others are beautiful as well. I cut the bang a little bit just so it could lay better. And this is the final look. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I'm gonna have all the information linked in the description box down below of everything used in this video. And before we get out of here though, I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name as well as the person who submitted the name will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the Faithful fam, hit the subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out my other channel, Being Faithfully Asia. And until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.